Once upon a time, in a big green field, there was a hard-working ant. Every day, the ant collected food and saved it for the winter. Nearby, a grasshopper loved to sing and play all day. He didn't think about the future and saw the ant working. "Why are you working so hard, ant? Come and play with me. There's plenty of food now." "I'm saving food for winter. When it gets cold, there will be no food left." Time passed and autumn came. The ant kept working, but the grasshopper still played and didn't save any food. Then winter arrived. The grasshopper was cold, hungry, and had no food, but the ant stayed warm and safe inside its nest with plenty of food stored. "Please, ant, can you share some food with me? I didn't save any food and now I'm very hungry. I worked hard to save this food, but I will share some with you. Next year, remember to work hard and save for winter." The grasshopper thanked the ant and promised to work harder next year. He learned that being kind and working hard are both important. Work hard and help others. Did you enjoy the story? If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it with your friends, and hit the subscribe button for more fun stories. Thanks for watching.